Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
What's up, Jacob?
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? About to do a video of this.
Okay. Yeah, you can look the window because that's my paint.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Hey, how you doing, man? And when we get everything windows up and off for info, so I don't hear outside.
Yeah, I got you. How's life, man?
Oh, great. I love it, man. It's awesome. So your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Tyler Evans. I'm part of Team Bird Vision. I've got two XV318s in here on a DS18 Hooligan KO 5K with 45 amp hours of LTO. Stock electrical other than that for now until probably midway through the show. My team captain Robert over there, we're going to do the big three, hopefully help my voltage. My doors, I've got, now I'm only running two DS18 6.5s on a Terramps DS440x4. And my highs, I've got a DS18, I think they're 3 1/4s, with a old nifty trusty Slam Panda.
All right. Nice.
Head unit's Alpine.
Yeah.
That's what we're on.
How's your voltage right now before the electrical upgrades? Like, how low are you seeing? Just curious.
14.2.
14.2? Okay.
Not bad.
Yeah.
But I'm dipping pretty bad, so.
Are you dropping into the 12s, 11s, 10s? How low are you dropping?
Well, depending on the note.
Yeah.
If I drop real low, I can play all the way. The box is tuned at 32. I can drop and play all the way down to 18.
Okay.
I can play all the way up to 46.
Okay.
Well, it's almost like a 6th order, really. But
yeah.
I mean, I'm surprised. I think it might be because of the truck, the tuning on the truck.
Yeah.
I done a 155 too, so.
Okay.
Which ain't bad for clamping less than 5,000 watts.
What's your frequency peak on it?
Right at like 36.
Okay. Awesome.
So, yeah.
Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. So stock alternator underneath also. Stock alternator?
Yes, for now. For now.
Okay. All right.
Actually, for the same subs that my buddy TJ down there,
yes, sir.
The ZVX. Awesome. That's what killed me.
Yeah.
Because I was like, them subs ain't really gonna sound good in that box because it's too little. Yeah. But I was totally
It's a
surprised.
good. Yeah, nice job, man. I really like it.
I mean, I can float stuff pretty good. I mean,
What's your cubic space on it?
6 cubes.
6 cube?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's a little small, but it still works.
TBV Evans on Facebook.
Okay.
Team Bird Vision.
All right.
It's the only way to go.
All right. Give him a like, everybody. man.
Yeah.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. You
What do you
actually
think?
demoed to Smelly. It's really impressive you actually got into the low to mid 50s on a stock electrical system, but it's all about the box, the subs, and the
I'll take
system.
for them subs.
But it's still doing pretty good. I like it.
It's actually for the same subs that my brother, my buddy
Okay.
TJ down there is running.
Yes, sir.
The ZVX is awesome. That's what killed me.
Yeah.
Because I was like, them subs ain't really gonna sound good in that box because
They're
it's
good,
too
though.
little.
Yeah.
But I was totally
It's a good.
surprised.
Yeah. What was your name again, man?
Tyler Evans, Tyler
Awesome.
TBV Evans on Facebook.
Okay.
Team Bird Vision.
All
It's
right.
the only way to go.
All right. Give him a like, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.